Now, these natural vegetations, they are divided into four groups, types of natural vegetation. First one, tropical evergreen rainforest, deciduous forest, that is monsoon forest, thorn and shrub forest, and mountain forest. Now turn the page. Tropical evergreen rainforest. Tropical evergreen rainforest grow in areas which receive heavy rainfall, more than 200 centimeter yearly. Tropical evergreen forests, they grow where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter yearly. These forest areas are very dense and hot, and humid climate is found in these forests. In these areas where the climate is hot and humid, here the climate is hot and humid, heavy rainfall, and the forests are very dense, that is, the trees grow very close to each other. It's very thick. The forest here is very thick, dense. Tall and evergreen trees are found in these forests. They are home of hardwood trees. Here the trees are very tall and green, and the most trees, that is a home, that hardwood of trees. These trees here are hardwood. Rubber, bamboo, mahogany, palm, cane, coconut, ebony, rosewood, sal are the main trees of these forests. These are some examples, the types of trees found in tropical evergreen forest. And here the trees are tall and green and hardwood. Here the trees found here, the wood is hard. These trees are chiefly found on the slopes of the Western Ghats and the northern eastern regions, the Tarai region of the Himalayas, and the Andaman groups of islands. These tropical evergreen forests, they are found on the Western Ghats, on the northern eastern region, and Tarai region. Tarai region is the wet region, marshy region of Himalayas, and they are also found in Andaman groups of islands. These four places, they are found in these areas. So tropical evergreen forest where the rainfall is heavy, 200 centimeter yearly, where the climate is hot and humid, the forest is very dense. The trees found here are tall and evergreen trees. Okay, tall and evergreen trees, and these are some examples: rubber, bamboo, mahogany, palm. And they are found on the Western Ghats, northern eastern region, Tarai region of Himalayas, and Andaman groups.